Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Okay. So, like, if you have, okay, I guess you have sent me your telephone file, right?
Yes, sir. So I have sent all the files.
All the
And
files in final submission.
yes, sir.
Yes. So, just give me a second. Okay, let's see. Yes, this is correct. This is,
So this one is not mine, sir.
then which one is yours?
So
Uh,
I sent it in final model PU task. I in a zip.
I guess then I haven't. This is
I sent it
this
in
is
a
the
final.
final submission. Just give me a second. I'll double check it. Okay, huh. Okay, I missed that mail. I downloaded somebody else file. Done. Yes. Okay. So one thing that this is nice. This one is nice. Here you can optimize, right? Here you can optimize because this is a flat surface. It's not visible.
Yeah.
So this surface, this one, this dialer needs little bit more polygons, like little bit more edges in between. Like if I apply a turbo on this, so but you can see it destroying the shape because that's obviously because all this modification, all this thing happened here. So it should look like this smooth, round. Like this one is very nice. This is like correct one. So this kind of poly distribution you need to add here because you can see from a distance also I can see all the angles. That is one key thing. Always you need to keep in mind those angles should not be visible. If the angles are visible, we need to add polygons. So this is for this surface. So now here, what I can do is for this section, I can isolate this one. And here I can see now the for the bigger surface, this is the broader surface, this area, it's fine. This many polygons are absolutely fine. No problem at all. Now, in between these things, what I can do here is select them, collapse it, reduce it. So it will reduce because this is a flat surface.
Yes.
Similarly, all the flat surface, wherever you have, you can reduce it. And plus, the smaller the size, lesser the polygon. So similarly, this one and this one, not doing anything, delete it. Then let's see. This is fine. This angle is there. This is fine. Now, here I can select this. I can go to my modeling. Right. Step. Oh, it will select this one. Okay, no, I don't want it. So every alternative one I can select here and then I can collapse it. And similarly, all this I can now I can just simply go to modify selection, select this thing and collapse it like this. So it will reduce the amount of polygon. From a distance, it will look round only. So there is a scope of like optimization. This looks fine. So, but this is a very small circular shape. If you want, yes, same alternative things you can optimize here. And there is a floating vertex here.
So actually, I tried to optimize it, like
Hmm.
after completing,
Hmm.
but it was showing me some edges. So I just undo it. So I kept it like that.
No, like this part, this is correct. This
Yeah,
part is correct.
only for the circle, only for
Only
the
for this smaller circle, this smaller tube, and this flat surface. This is correct. There is nothing wrong in it. This is absolutely correct. And max to max, what I can do, I can delete this one also. And if I want, I can delete this one also. Nothing will change. See, nothing changed. No shape will change, nothing will change. So I can optimize it like this wherever it's not required. Similarly, this one not required. Then this is in a way fine. This is correct. There's no problem. This looks nice also. Just here it was floating, is pushed it inside. Now this thing, you can see same thing here. Vertex mode, target weld. This is not required. I can weld it here. So I can reduce that thing, right? So like this, I can optimize. And let's see. This is kind of fine, but this, sorry, this one, if I want, I can keep it or I can delete it also. This is not wrong, but for a point of view of a scale of the model, it's a very tiny part, right? For that kind of tiny part, what you can do, instead of keeping that, you can reduce slightly, so it will give you more rounded shape from a distance. So that one loop also you can optimize, because in bigger model, this one loop, one vertex will play a very huge role to optimize the model. So those things we need to keep in mind. Otherwise this looks fine.
okay.
This is fine. Like this, for this we have curved this thing. There's a one floating edge. What is this? Yeah, okay. These two are too close, so I can delete any one. So this is also delete. This is, I can give it a very small tiny this thing shape. This one almost straight line, remove it like this. Like this, I have to check if it's if it's like very slight deformation change, we can remove it.
Okay.
Like this, we have to identify and check it. Okay. Now this sphere, this is wrong, because you can see this is what you created, this is correct. So you could have just simply copied it and placed it here and elongated. So this is half, this is like more polygons. It should be, you should have cut it from this side, semicircle, not like this direction. Only the direction is wrong. Rest is fine. Now here, this one, not
Actually,
doing anything.
image lighting was so dark that I did not understand the direction. So I just made it a different model and I placed it over there.
Yeah, no, that's fine. No, shape is not wrong. Shape is correct. Like only the orientation of the sphere.
Oh,
This point should come this direction.
okay, understood.
Uh, then this, because see, I can,
Modeling need to check the orientation as well.
yes, those small orientation also you have to see, because lighting point of view, like because end of the day, when you create model texture and texture it and render it, that time this point will create a pinch. So if it's inside, it's not visible.
Okay,
That's why we do it. Similarly, all the part that where there is no deformations, I can remove that thing. Oh, what happened? I just removed this. Oh, it's selected the inside part also. Okay, okay. So, but how? Okay, because of this. So all the hidden part, always delete these spaces. Akshay also joining. Now side this one and set this one. Very subtle difference. So it can optimize slightly better. This is like model is nice, everything is clean. It's just like little bit of more scope of optimization. This looks nice. This also looks nice, very nice. Something happened here, or I pushed it, I don't know. This is one pinch, like one vertex, it's pushed outside, one pinch happened. Correct, nice, correct, nice, nice. Looks fine. Okay, let's see. Now let's see, I want to select object. It's visible only, then why I can't see anything? Yeah, now I can see it. Huh. Now I will check just equal to 5 or greater than 4. Clean, select this, face mode, clean. This I selected already. This one also checked. This one is checked. Okay, it looks clean only. So most of the model is error free. Okay. One more thing, because this part, was it hollow?
Yeah, in the image it was black in color, so I kept it as hollow itself. Like
Uh, okay, this is, I'm not sure. I guess they'll say like you talk to, there is a, usually there's a net, right?
uh, I did not understand the image, so I kept it hollow because it's a receiver. But
Yes.
we go inside, so I kept it as hollow.
Okay, no, no, but model is not wrong. It's just like a, because this part looks little like a hollow. That's why I asked. Okay, otherwise it looks pretty nice and decent. There's slight optimization here, and double check that a little bit increase the poly count here, and like wherever you have those extra loops that which is not doing anything, just remove it,
Yes.
and rest it looks pretty nice and clean. And this is your back side. Okay, this is nice, clean. So usually this is a very tiny piece. So in this kind of piece, this double line is not required. So you can remove that thing very easily because it's a very small piece, because you have to keep this thing also in mind. It's a tiny piece. And from a distance, because it's a phone, so you cannot see it basically, right? So we can do it in texture. So it's not, you don't have to create a model. So yeah, and rest looks kind of fine. Yes, here this is fine. I can say slightly volume distortion, but those are like nitpicking only. But overall nice. Like a little bit of, we can more update things. Overall, it's nice. Okay, let's see other files. We have other files also. I guess most of the files we have already checked.
Yes, sir. Only the scene creation, you told me to add more bottles. and to
Yes.
correct the garbage bin, so I corrected it.
Okay, let's see. Yes, this is fine. This looks nice. This looks nice now.
Yeah, better from the last time.
Yeah, yeah, you can also clearly see that, right? It looks way better now.
Exactly.
So those things, like, and this is fine. This looks nice. Yes, garbage bag also nice, and this looks pretty nice. This is like very nice model. Very low poly, but very nice, clean, polished model. And bottles and all. Yes, you filled everything.
Actually, for I used the Colin bottle.
Hmm.
I squeezed it and I changed the shape to give that, and I made the handle as an
That's fine. That's fine. That it works perfectly.
yeah.
Like as long as like you're optimizing your own model and creating those things, it's perfectly works. Okay, chair, this thing box, and okay, this looks fine. This looks fine now. Something flickering here. This base, I can delete that. So that one two faces, like we always like that happens all the time. So we sometimes miss it. And rest overload looks fine. So like one two face I can see one two faces. That is something if you want, you can definitely optimize it. But the rest looks fine. It's pretty neat. This is fine. Okay, overall, like nice, like nicely done. It looks nice. Okay. Now I guess Somadev also sent me his files. He sent me the this is little too low. This is fine, but little it's little too low poly. You need to add little one more loop here, one more loop here, make it little rounded. So it will look nice and clean. And what is this? Uh, what is this? Don't remember this part. Like, do we? It's round only. Like, what happened here, Somadip? I don't know. He's vanished or somewhere. So, and just give me a second. Open the reference one more time. Okay, there's little bit of scale problem also. This one and this one. You see, it's rounded and smaller than this width. This circumference, your circumference of this circle, this round cylindrical shape, this one and this one is different. Here it's same. So small things like model like almost correct, but the only thing like a couple of things you can make it a little smoother. This well looks pretty nice. This one can, if you're keeping this thing, this low poly, so overall you have to maintain. So this is, if you're keeping this one like this is way too low poly. Now here somebody need to increase the poly count here, increase the poly count for this. Like it's exactly opposite from Piyush file. So so this is need to fix. This is like way too low poly. So he just closed it. It's nice. This is, he also closed it. Nice. And this is, I don't know what happened. Some transformer kind of boxes I can see. I really don't know. So the thing is, in his file, his entire model is little low poly. But this is like decent. This looks decent. This looks really angular. So you need to fix this one. If possible, like he can add a little bit more like this thing polygons here. This looks kind of fine, but little bit polygons you can add here. He can use it and make it little smoother. This is, so I don't know what is this. Uh, and this is kind of fine. So whenever you create something like this, there might be cases like this kind of distortion will happen. So those things you have to manually fix it, because automation, like automatic this thing, a lot of time it doesn't work perfectly. So in that case, just push those things little bit, it will fix those issues. So if you guys have any doubts or anything, you can ask me. I'll explain those things, any issues or anything regarding anything.
Sir, did you check my file?
Yes, yes, I'm checking. Now one by one I'm checking. Then we have downloads, which is file.
Sir, the wire part. I can't find this.
Oh, it's way too dense. So it's way too dense. Twist and rotate you have applied. Sides, not 3, 4, 5, or max to max 6. And thickness and all is a little thinner. Threshold, let's see. Threshold is fine. This is like nothing to do with our this thing. Now parameter, let's see. Turns 100, radius and height, all these things also fine. When path deformer you have applied, that's fine. But after this, it's a lot of extra polygons, a lot of extra polygons. So you can definitely reduce it. This is too much. Like there's others you can see they're quite optimized. You have to optimize it.
Sir, but I cannot connect this.
You cannot connect. So you use helix and use the path deformer. Instead of that, like the process we created this thing. Let's see. But this part I need to create. So easiest process will be if I use this. Let's see. This thing, what we can do, angle, switch off. Edit spline. It's too many vertex. Clockwise is fine. Connect it here wherever it's supposed to connect. Connect this. Now I need to make this line smooth. Oh, my bad. Front view. And what is this? Delete. There's too many polygons. I can, if I want to make it smooth, I can definitely make it smooth. Similar way. So it's like you have created 100 turns. Instead of that, you could have created like 50 or 60 turns. And like this, extend the vertex, apply a edit spline. Once you do that, you can just simply go to this thing. The basic shape is ready and everything. Collapse all. Yes, it becomes spline only. Rendering. I can enable my rendering. So it will create this shape. So more polygons you add here, smoother it is. So this is like way too dense as of now. So like this, you just create a helix and then create the shape. That will make your life way easier. Or one more thing you can do, like after like basic structure to creating, you want to make the flow clean. Go to vertex, selection, soft selection. Switch on this, select, fall off. I can increase, decrease, front. I can make it clean. Okay. Should we select everything? Move things or place nicely. Like this, because it's way too big. So controlling will be very difficult. So I can like then move it and create this organic flow of the chord we can generate. So I can add more cuts, more points here and make it really smooth. And or I can see here, there's something called fillet. We have this option, edit spline. You can see vertex, front. We make it smooth and clean. See, evenly spread, clean shape. Like this, I can clean everything and make it a nice curved shape. So instead of like 100, use like 70 or 60, like length, according to this length. Create that and
Yes.
then extend it. It will work beautifully without any
So
problem. Yes.
some people use the alpha thing.
That is, yes, alpha thing usually we use for like suppose it's a prop in a scene where you don't have anything, like, it's not an interactive set or it's a distant some like prop or something, it's not visible that prominently. In that case we use alpha. But like if like as we are creating the entire model, so this is my hero element, so in that case I'll create the entire wire. Okay, so it's based on the like the importance of the model. So we'll create this thing. So like this is, and this is correct. This is nice and correct. And these two are smoothness wise correct. Yes, here one thing you can optimize it. This is like way too much. Way too many polygons. Alternative you can remove. Alternative you can remove here. So it will give you better result because this, you can see the size of this edge and size of this edge. It's like more than double, triple, right? So it should be even, like almost similar. So like it's a slightly change and like change is fine, but it's too much. So reduce it. Like this is absolutely fine. Something like this. This is just way too dense. This is like very low poly. So this cannot be this high poly. So this is nice, fine, and clearly like clean. This is also clean, but there's slightly, it can, it is, oh, I guess it should, it's like this only. Okay, let's see. Okay, one more thing. Whenever you connect this part, this is not wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So problem with n-gon. So you have to connect this point also. That is something you have to keep in mind always. Polygons, and how do you do it? Open. What happened to this ribbon? I don't know. Nonsense. Oh, finally. So more than 4 side, click on this, you can see. Press F2, it will highlight. It's a problem, problem, problem. So wherever this thing is selected, all these areas are problem. So like this, double check your model. There shouldn't be any n-gons. N-gons are absolutely no. So check it, like it's almost correct. Your model is almost there. Just you need to rectify a couple of things here and there. So similarly, I'll check this. My edit poly, I'll just press 4 to select polygon. Okay, did I tell this thing you can switch between vertex, edge, border, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this? Okay, so I don't like, I didn't remember, that's why I was just saying. So you can switch between these two and click here also. Little issue. So make sure there is no n-gons. N-gons are not acceptable. N-gons are always wrong. So make sure fix those things and check everything properly. Here also one face, because this cut is not there. It got deleted accidentally or something. That's why it happened. So make sure. And one more thing, this is correct. There is nothing wrong in it. This model is correct. There is nothing wrong. Only thing, whenever we create, and this center line you create like this, try to align it like this, or maybe 90° like this, any one of them. So it will look nice and cleaner. That's not wrong. It just like it looks better. So, okay. So there are a lot of n-gons. So make sure fix those things. And again, n-gons and this thing. There's one more issue here is, this one. One more issue is, you collapse it too early. You should have collapsed this thing, like not here. Extend this, collapse it here. So it is creating this triangular, you can see this triangular pinch. So to fix this thing, extend and collapse here, reduce it here, not this corner. If you reduce the polygons at the corner, it will create a shading. So avoid corners. Like this is visible corner. This is inside. This is going inside. It's not that prominent. So fix it, because from distance it looks like an arch shape. Right. So those small things. Similarly, same thing here also. Like this is fine, but you could have extended one step and then reduced it. So it will work perfectly. And I believe you have collapsed it manually, right? Like you target build or something.
Yeah, target.
Yes.
Yes, I detach this and.
So what happens when you do that? So you create this line is straight and this line looks like this. So usually what we do is we just simply select the entire thing and rotate and keep it like this. So it looks nice, because your model should also look very nice and clean. So that is also very important. So it looks little nicer. It's like it's not wrong, but it looks better. That's the only thing. So, and this section have a lot of like polygons, a lot, like a lot. Maybe I can reduce it very easily. Similarly, this part, if I want, I can reduce these two. Then this circular shape, not required. It will look clean only. This shape is almost fine, but I can, if I want, I can remove, like this one is fine, so I can delete this one. Similarly, this area is have too many polygons. Slightly optimize. And this cut is not required. This cut is not required. You could have connected this thing directly here. This loop is not required. And there's like a lot of extra polygons, a lot, like too many polygons. So optimization issue is there. So make sure optimize this. This looks like overall model is fine. Your entire thing is almost ready. There are few like modification you have to do and fix it. Like little optimization. Get rid of your n-gons and double check for your n-gons with the help of the selection tool. Fix this thing. You can see it can make it nice, clean shape. Optimize this. This is way too much, way too much. So optimize this thing. And similarly, here also same optimization problem. Inside part, anything which is not visible, delete it. The sides, this is also not required. Delete it. So you can make it super clean. If I want, I can delete this also. And select your border scale, make it a perfect straight line surface. Edge mode, are they doing anything? No. Delete. See, now it's super clean. So like this, you have to optimize, because optimization issue is there. So optimize it, optimize the model. This is fine, no problem. This is like nice, and this is like this is fine. And here also one more thing you can do. Select this one, edge. It's not doing anything. Delete it. Delete it. So even if you apply turbo smooth, after applying that, you have to optimize the model. That is something you have to keep in mind. This is very little deformation. So I can delete one of this. Like this, clean it, like optimize the model. That's the only thing in your model. The problem is optimization. Okay, now we have Prem Gopinath's file. Have you sent me a file?
Yes, sir.
I guess this one only then. This is a PWDAS. This is is this your model?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So you have connected everything. Let's see. So this is like nicely optimized. This is something I like. This is like fine. Like you needed one extra loop. Here you can have less polygon, but this edge is visible, prominently visible. It's extruded outside. So added one extra loop. Correct. This is absolutely correct approach. Yes, like if you want, if you wanted, you could have extended this thing, but you optimize it. It's very good, very nice. This is also this is exactly what I was talking about. Like you optimize this thing wherever it's not required, reduce it. And what is this black part? Okay, there is a okay thickness is not
Yeah.
there, right?
Yes, sir.
So at the, like because you cannot keep this, so you have to fill cap it. You need to like fill this section. This section capping is required. Otherwise,
Okay.
rest everything looks kind of neat. Let's see. This is too much. This is too much. So here you can do is like this looks like a design only. So you can just simply get rid of this thing directly. Right. So it will give you a nice clean shape. This is too much. This much like this thing is this is like you did way too much. That's not required. So similarly, you can reduce this sorry, right? You can
Okay, sir.
optimize this thing. So it will give you a nice clean shape. So this is like you this is technically not wrong, but it's not required. It's not required. So like you can keep it like this. That's absolutely fine. And why it's separated? You didn't combine it. If you
No, sir, I did not.
so weld them together. Remove this one. You have one point, so you can connect it very easily.
Okay, sir.
So like triangulation is acceptable, but do not create triangles everywhere. Like, so make sure this is all straight like this, clean. This is too much of triangulation. And this is fine. Like this is fine. This is like very nicely done. Like very nicely you have optimized it. One loop to you created two loops. This is very nicely done. This is correct way of doing it. So the process you're following is correct, but you need to know where to stop. So this is not required. This is fine. Okay, this is like way too much. If you want to keep it here, it will work, but these are not required.
Okay,
This is also not required. This is also not required. This is like way too much we're doing. So that is something to keep in mind. And comparatively, it's less detailed model. Till so far, whatever I have seen, everybody's model is pretty detailed. It's less detailed, like those border thickness, those things are missing. So if possible, add those things, it will look nice. And low poly, you created everything is low poly. Add thickness to this also. The thickness is missing. Add thickness. This is okay. This will work. This is smooth. Only thing I feel the thickness of these things and like proportion basically with comparison the reference slightly like off, like slightly few things a little thinner or little thicker. Those things is just double check that thing. Overall, the process you're following is absolutely correct. No problem at all. Just double check. It should be one single geometry, should be all straight lines, clean lines, and this is fine. Like this optimized thing, this is not required. This is like I could have kept it like this is like you reduce this thing double, so you could have kept it straight line connected here, so it will look nice. If you reduce it here slightly, that's also fine. So try to keep all this cylindrical shape straight lines, not this mini triangles.
okay, sir.
And cap it like this, whatever you have done here, cap this also. And add little detail, like all this depth and borders and edges na, add little detail here, so it will look better and nice. And one more thing, let's see. This is fine, this will work, but why is this floating?
Oh, sorry, sir.
So check this thing, floating. So check this thing and fix that thing. So like just like your model is low poly, is very low poly, so you can make it, you can like push it slightly and increase the poly count slightly, add little bit more detail. And these many triangles are not required, so reduce it slightly. The triangles, or too many triangles here. Okay, so reduce all these things. because it looks like a pattern, it looks like a design here. So fix it. This looks way cleaner. So like something like this, straighten this thing. And you have sent me your other files also. Let's see. I don't remember.
But these ones are already checked.
This one I checked already. Which are the new file you have sent?
The telephone model only, sir.
Telephone model. Okay.
Yeah.
Then now we have Andrew's file. He haven't sent me anything. Oh, like he have sent me files, older files. So okay. Pawn he created. So Andrews, like whenever you create, fix all these things. Fix all these things. This is I remember clearly you submitted this file previously also, and I asked you to fix it. It's not fixed yet. You're not doing anything. And I asked to save your file in perspective always, wireframe, that is also you're not doing. You're not following anything.
Maybe I said the old files. The doctor files.
Okay, class simulation you did. Nice. And when you will send me this thing, telephone.
Sir, the telephone, right? The like I didn't like yesterday, like day before yesterday night, I was working on that, but the files I didn't auto save them.
File is not saving.
Or files I didn't auto save them.
Not auto saving or auto saving. What you're saying?
I didn't auto save them, so
Okay,
it all went.
So you didn't auto save, so you can save it manually, right?
No, like I didn't auto save them. Like well, it's a thing you must save them, right?
So like,
Like I didn't do that.
why you didn't do that? When you create a
Like-
file, you have to save it, right?
Like something went wrong over there, so I was trying to cut it and then come back to the 3ds mess, but like the whole thing went.
So whole thing went where? You understand, right? You are not like first like your files, you are lagging behind a lot from everybody else, and still till now you're saying ki this happened, that happened. You understand, right? You have to finish your things on time. Issues will be there. There is a software, glitches will be there, problems will be there, but you have to work on it. You have to fix it. Whenever with problems, you have to deal with it and solve it. There is no update at all. Every time I ask you something, you give me excuses. You know I have to report this to student coordinator, and then then he will report to your parents. Because I cannot see any progress. Like what every time you come and you see, you give me excuses. This is also not finished.
So like that when I was listening to recordings, like the down portion, like I didn't got that portion, like part clear.
So in during class also you were asking me, right? That time also
Yeah.
So while explaining those things, so why you are not doing it? So are you just simply copying my videos without understanding?
No, I just understand them and do it, but like the one's recording was missing while you upload on YouTube. Then the second video which I uploaded, this model, right? Regarding this model, like the second video which I uploaded, like the recording came in the middle of something, like
Yeah, you know, right? My system crashed, so that week entire
yeah.
video
So
is gone.
what
So
happened was that I tried to find out more, like I tried to make rectify some mistakes, like how to do this and that and all. but I was not getting that part right. So I tried the whole night on this mode only. That was the main problem. So I couldn't go on that like the building model also because of this problem.
How does this make sense? Okay, I understand if you have technical difficulties, I understand it. Okay, that is possible. Now it's a sofa, you have this sides are elongated, there's a support down there, and there's a stand. So how difficult it to create if you have a video or not? If you have to create a box here, create a cylinder here, how difficult it is? And this is something you submitted me after 1 week. So like entire week, what you did?
Like this way, sir.
This took you 1 week.
Like I told you, that I had a doubt on this like last.
See, that time also I showed you created you submitted your file. I showed you how to create this thing, how to correct this thing. Then you fix the entire thing. Then you sent me the
Yeah,
files. Yeah.
Okay.
So after
The-
that one
After
more than
that,
a week
when
gone.
I tried to work on the second recording, like for this thing, the part which you explained on the dawn part was not clear. Like wasn't not clear, but the recording wasn't available on that time.
Acha, tell me, if the recording is not there, you won't be able to work on it.
I think so. I missed the recording while you upload on YouTube.
Acha, okay.
Like you put on that day, you
It's okay. Okay, let's understand this thing. Suppose recording is not there. I accidentally deleted it or something happened. The recording is
So I
not
tried to figure
available.
out those things. I tried to figure out how to
So,
do that.
Like, okay. So this is your sofa. You need to create a base. You try to figure out. Let's create this thing. A box. Like, tell me what to figure out in this thing. I just want to know that. I want to understand, because understand. I'm not trying to demoralize you something. I need to understand like what is your issue, so that I can fix that and I can help you out accordingly. Getting my point? So like now this is a sofa. There is a base. It's a box. So how difficult it is to understand? That is I want to know. That is I want to understand. Getting my point? So I create the base, and then there is a cylindrical shape, top view. Create the stand. Place it here. Left view. Place it here. Select both of them. Go to front. Place it here or apply a symmetry. Select this thing. Convert to polygon. And like, fill those sections. Area. This is like roughly I'm doing like so really quickly. So this is like, please make me understand how it's like it's a problem, how it's like so difficult to understand.
Then the part which you explained right now, right? That it wasn't mentioned during the recording, because that day you I think so you forgot to press the recording. You pressed the recording by late. So the part which was not.
But how it's a problem? Please explain that is
Oh,
what I'm
okay.
asking.
Okay. Like, so I tried to figure out those, but I wasn't clear about that.
You can you have a sofa reference, right?
Yeah, like I guess yes. Yeah.
So if you have a sofa reference, you can see in your reference you have this base. So or if it's there in video or not, so you know how to create a box, right?
Yeah, yes, I know.
Then how it's like, then it seems like you are just simply checking the video and just copying it. It's not about copying, it's about understanding. If there is you suppose there is no video, forget about that. Okay, there is no video. Now you have to create a sofa. So you create the basic structure. This thing you took like 2-3 weeks and created this thing. And now this base video, this thing is not there. So in base there is a box. How difficult it is to place a box there?
Like I didn't thought about that. Like I was
Okay.
going to the
Okay,
recordings
no,
only. I
okay.
planned to go to the recordings only because I have to finish the models faster and all, because I was lagging all the time, right? So like I
Yeah.
got in the middle of run or something. Like I wasn't clear about that. So I just try to copy on your recordings only.
So okay, so that basically defeats the purpose of learning. When we just simply copy, it defeats the purpose because you're not learning it. You're just copying it. Copying is not learning. So you can you have I gave you that they gave that model of telephone. You're not doing it because there is no video available for that. Because you have to do it by yourself. That's why you're not doing it. Like that's the
No.
impression. That's the impression I'm getting. Getting my point. So that's the impression I'm getting because there is no tutorial for this. You're not able to do it. So I'm to try to understand. So I'm trying to help you out. So you have to work on yourself, and plus you have to try from your side. Right? Do not depend on videos and tutorials. Try to do it from your side and develop your understanding and understand if there is a shape and how to create the shape. Okay? So that is the whole purpose of the learning.
Like this many days I tried to just copy your recordings. Sometimes I understand like what you say and all, but like some like I just go to your recordings and just do it. There was
Okay, like anyways, I see there are two major files are missing. The entire scene is missing, plus the telephone, your module and test is missing. So your next module already started. I have, there's no other way. I have to report this to a student coordinator. Max to max, what I can do, I can give you a little extra time to finish everything and submit those things. If you don't do it, I'll send you a proper mail and CC the student coordinator by what time you have to submit and everything. If you fail to do so, rest a student coordinator will handle, because I'm giving you very clarity because it's all about learning. You have to learn it, and everything depends upon this. If you don't know more basic modeling, you cannot go forward. You cannot do any other things, as there's no point, right? Like today, if you're not able to do the basic things, you cannot do complex things as well. Because after this, I'll tell you why I'm telling you all this thing. Reason, after this module onwards, like this is HDS and all, we'll be selecting different models. Like I will show you something and you have to create something else. I'll give you a different references. Out of that, you have to select and create that. There will be no videos available for those things. I'll show you the techniques on a different model, and you have to create a different model with using those techniques. So that is the whole idea. Because in industry, you will be assigned a different file every time, and industry you won't get any tutorial or any video or anything. You have to do it by yourself. Yes, people will be there to help you out, guide you through, and to tell you the process or maybe tools. But nobody can teach you the process. Like I'll explain the process, but you yourself, you have to do it. Okay, so anyways, yeah. So like,
sir, I have
yeah.
sent this Chandler also.
Okay. Chandelier also. I can't see. I see pot. This your chest, this pawn, and the bottle, cloth, the sofa, and this sofa. Okay, just give me a second. I'll
Okay.
double check it.
Okay, I'll just send you right now. Just check the mail. I think. I'll send you one.
Yeah, chandelier. I received it. What is this, Andrews?
I got that handle thing, that was right, but the pivot point, right, like it was not right in the center.
So make it in center.
No, when I tried to, like, I was even be able to attach those, like this handle and the light doors, those things also. So when I tried to select the pivot point, like the like what to say, the Gizmo is going on three distance on the hand and the right.
I don't know what you are saying. First of all, how this thing it became this high poly? That day I showed the entire video. Was it like this?
I tried to increase the nerves.
This is not nerves. This is your polygons. I can see clearly. So you have applied nerves here. So before applying one, so edit poly, top of this you applied one more edit poly. For what reason?
Oh, for that, to apply the loop, like the shift loop for that.
So this
To
is
make-
this is already edit poly. So you can apply Swift loop already on this. Now you can see Swift loop.
I tried that, but it wasn't working for me. So I tried many times. So the
Whenever,
option-
okay, I'll tell you something. Whenever you have problem, take a screenshot. I told you this thing multiple times. Whenever you have an issue, take a screenshot, send it to me, because it sounds like an excuse every time you no edit poly Swift loop doesn't work. How like how this happens? For everybody it works, but for you it doesn't work. Okay. And then okay, whatever it is, you created this thing. Okay, nice, very nice. This looks almost like almost the same like the reference. This looks very nice, but again this is incomplete file.
Yeah, but like, I didn't complete the whole thing. Right?
But it takes 5 minutes. How difficult it is?
Sir, I'm telling you that like I did this. I tried to make an extra edit poly because the attach thing wasn't working, because I tried to attach those things, like it
Okay,
isn't attaching.
let's see how it doesn't work attaching. Let's see how it doesn't work attaching. I just clicked.
Like you can come here and see, because I found that defectively. That's why I'm telling you.
No,
I tried.
Since beginning you are giving me excuses, so I don't want to listen to your excuses. Please deliver the file, and I'll today I'll update a student coordinator. You can talk to him. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Oh, so because same thing I'm saying, if you're having issues, send me the screenshot, send me the problem. Unless I see your file or your problem, how can I help you out? If there is issue, it's not saving your file, you're saving something, software issue, reinstall your software, yeah. Right?
Okay.
Like if there is software issue, reinstall the software.
Reinstall.
No, I'm not suggesting you to reinstall. I'm saying a basic common sense. If your software giving you issue, like suppose in my Macs I'm having issue, half of the things are not working properly. So what I'll do, I'll uninstall my Macs and reinstall my Macs to get rid of problems, right? That's what we all do, right?
Okay,
So we have to solve the problem. That's what I'm trying to tell you. If there will be problems always, but you have to solve it.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. So like, because you see, you understand like why I'm getting frustrated. Today you created this thing very nicely. This is nice. This is nicely you have created, but still again you submitted an incomplete file. It takes like, it hardly takes 5 minutes. Like if I do this, adjust the pivot point, move it here, center, switch off this, angle, right click, maybe suppose 16 degree, whatever degree is, huh? Okay, 16 degree, enter, and shift, rotate, I guess 6, right? 5, I guess 5 or 6, and tell me. It's not even 5 minutes. How difficult it is. You know the numbers. You only told me 16, right? You know the numbers. You know the values and everything. So why you're not doing it? It takes 2 minutes.
Yeah, I all checked the recording, sir, but what to say?
Okay.
Okay, you know that.
Okay, okay.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. For that.
It's not, yeah, try to understand. Like you all are grown-ups. Okay, we all are grown-ups. So I am not trying to like use to say sorry and all this thing. What I'm saying, I'm trying to help you out. Until unless I understand your problem, I cannot help you out. Getting my point? Because what I can see, whenever I tell you, okay, this is a problem, you give me a reason for this happened. Getting my, try to understand my what I am getting, only excuses. I got a file, this is decently done, but I got an incomplete file again. I got the sofa, you corrected it, but it's again an incomplete file. The scene is completely missing. Then that market scene is missing. Then last week I sent I sent you this mail of telephone. Everybody finished it. Everybody finished it and they submitted everything, and during the week also, mid of the week, they submitted their file just to cross check, is it going, they're going to doing it properly or not. But I haven't received anything from you. I received all this file couple of days ago. All these things, the basic stuff that takes 5-10 minutes to create. So getting my point. So what I'm saying, either you having some understanding issues, something you're not able to understand, or maybe you're depending only on the video. What you can see, just copying it. Copy pasting doesn't work in creative field. Creative field, you have to create things by yourself. Copy pasting never will work. It will never take you anywhere. So start using your own brain, and all the techniques I'm showing, try to create a new model separate, like that telephone I gave you. Try to create the telephone by yourself, like whatever you're understanding, whatever you have understood, based on that, try to create that. Right? So then only, because there is a value for everything we evaluate reason. This is why, to understand, like, if the student is able to understand or learned it properly, or he still needs to learn more. Right? So those things are there. So try to create the, okay, forget about the market. I can see I am trying to help you out on everything. Forget about the market scene. Try to create the telephone. Okay, try to
Okay,
create
sir.
the telephone. I'll send you
I started doing it.
okay, very nice. So I'll send you a mail. So
I got it, I got it.
I'll inform you the dates and all. So that's what I can do maximum.
Sir, the normal reason for the delays, like, I try, like, I wait for one model to happen and finish and all. Then only I proceed to the next model.
Yes.
That was the reason for the lagging and issues.
No, that's fine. That's fine when you learn. So, but you understand, that chandelier I just showed you, in 2 minutes you can rotate and snap it, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't take you 10 hours, doesn't take you
Yeah.
5 hours, right?
For me, the touching thing was the problem, so I tried to do even a poly and all.
So,
And
so
sir
have you informed me ki sir, attaching is not working?
yeah, that day I tried to inform you, but you were busy with that other people's models and all.
So,
So I tried.
there is a WhatsApp group, right? You can always send me a message in that group, or anyways you send me a message otherwise also. So you can send a message, sir, this attach is not working. So I can give you a solution, right?
Yes, yes.
If there is an error, you can instantly send me a screenshot and tell me there is a problem and this error I got and this thing is not working, or this happened, how to resolve it. If you are not doing that, so then you are like expecting me to, like, okay, like all this excuses I'll accept and all, right? It doesn't work like that. You have to be professional enough. If there is a deadline, you have to meet the deadline. Okay, anyways, so like work on this file. I'll send you a mail, and based on that, fix, and everybody, you guys can, like, most of you have like almost finished everything, and there were a couple of the minor things. You guys can just simply like adjust those things just to polish, so that in future, once we start like creating a high poly, then we start texturing and all, you can UV this thing and texture this model and make it a very nice piece for your portfolio. You can do that. So based on that, you can improve it and fix everything, right? So it will be like a game ready model already. You have to, then later you learn UV and texture, you can UV texture this model, so your model will be, one model will be ready, right? Like that will do it. Okay, so I'll see you guys on Monday. So all the videos and everything is everything is uploaded. So yesterday's class thing, those things, that link, as I said, I copy the link and mail you guys the link, exact same like yesterday's class thing. I'll mail you directly so that you can see everything, and if you want to create it, you can create it. Okay.
So the
Okay, sir.
yesterday's and the day before
Yes,
yesterday.
everything is uploaded. I have created a separate playlist for that. So I'll send the playlist, the entire thing. There are a couple of videos only for this particular class, a separate playlist entirely. So I send you the link so you can check that, and like everything is uploaded there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I'll see you guys, and like have a nice weekend. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.